Colon cancer is a type of cancer that forms in the tissues of the colon. Health history affects the risk of developing colon cancer. Signs of colon cancer include blood in the stool or change in bowel habits. Tests that examine the colon and rectum are used to diagnose colon cancer. The colon is a part of the body's digestive system. The system takes the nutrients, vitamins, minerals, carbs, fats, and proteins and water from our daily intake and helps pass waste material out of the body. The digestive system is made up of the esophagus, stomach, and the small and large intestines. The colon, or the large bowel, is the main part of the intestine and is about 5 feet long. Together, the rectum and anal canal make up the last part of the large intestine and are about 6 to 8 inches long. The anal canal ends at anus, which is the opening of the large intestine to the outside of the body. Colorectal cancer is caused by certain changes into the way colorectal cells function, especially how they grow and divide into new cells. There are many risk factors for colorectal cancer, but many do not directly cause cancer. Instead, they increase the chance of DNA damage in the cells that may lead to colorectal cancer. A few signs and symptoms include blood in the stool, diarrhea, constipation, feeling that the bowel does not empty completely, fatigue, vomiting, weight loss for no reason. That takes me to something called as colon polyps. A colon polyp is a small clump of cells that forms in the lining of the colon. Most colon polyps are harmless, but over time, some colon polyps can develop into colon cancer. Colon cancer can be fatal when found in later stages. Anyone can develop colon polyp. You're a higher risk, you're 50 or older, and are overweight or a chain high smoker. You're also at higher risk if you have a personal family history of colon polyps or colon cancer. Colon polyps don't usually cause symptoms. It is important to have regular screening tests because these polyps found in the early stages can usually be completely removed safely. The best prevention for the same is regular screening and for removal of any polyps, if any. So, at Map My Genome, we offer a genetic test that related to colon cancer focuses on identifying your genetic predisposition to colon cancer or colorectal cancer. The test usually focuses on genes associated with colorectal cancer syndromes such as APC, MLH1, MSH6, PMS2, and MUTYH, amongst others. The test assesses genetic mutations linked to an increased risk of developing polyps in the colon, which can potentially progress to colorectal cancer if not treated. DNA is extracted from saliva or blood sample provided by the patient or the customer. The results help to determine if you have higher risk of developing colon cancer, particularly if you have a family history of the disease or if you've been diagnosed with polyps in the past. Based on results, expert genetic counseling is offered by Map My Genome. Additionally, medical professionals can suggest more frequent screenings, lifestyle changes, or preventive measures, if any.